Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to search for jobs on Indeed Jobs. I wonder why you want to know how to search for jobs on Indeed Jobs. Maybe because you're a person who is looking for jobs, or maybe you're looking a job for someone else, or there could be any other reason for you to search for jobs on Indeed Jobs. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Indeed Jobs app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you also have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Indeed Jobs to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. We have few options at the top and a search bar, and we have different top searches, and at the bottom we have some other options as well. Although we don't have much options on the first interface, but we could still find jobs through this page. As you can see, we have a search bar on the top. If you type about any job that you're looking for here, like its title, its company name, or anything related to ad, you could find job. So under the search bar, it is written search by title, keywords, or company. Let's say you're an engineer or maybe a software engineer looking for the jobs that are for software engineer, then you have to type software engineer, web development, software development, or maybe if you know a company who is hiring or a company related to it, so you could type the name of that company and all the jobs related to that will appear. So as you can see, hundreds and thousands of jobs will pop up on your screen, but all of these jobs will not be relevant to you. You have to filter out the jobs and get the specific ones which could fit you. So at the top we have these filters. You have to go to these filters one by one, select any one of these and select what are more preferable for you. Like if you're looking for remote jobs or hybrid remote, you can click on it and then it will filter out searches and will give you those are related to you. Then you can select the date when it get posted, like within 24 hours, more than 24 hours, 3 days, 1 day. Likewise, you will get many options like salary, price, area, experience, type, organization size, different kinds of filters. You have to keep selecting every one of them one by one. And if you still think that any one of these is not relevant to you, you may skip that filter. And once you're done with filtering out, you just have to simply go and search for the jobs. There you just have to scroll down and whichever you find the most preferable one, just simply click on it, read its title, its information, its area, and whatever about that job. And once you find it, you may apply it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can find jobs on Indeed Jobs. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.